All right, so we got a lot going on and I'm excited, but yeah, there's a lot going on. So, anywho, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Jabril, and today, making Bahn Mi burgers, but we're doing chicken Bahn Mi burgers instead of pork Bahn Mi burgers. Why? Because we're doing a healthier version. Still the same ingredients otherwise, but you know, switching up the meat. But anywho, before I get too far ahead, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that sub and notification button. Make sure you share this with friends, family. Enjoy. Alright, so in this, there will actually be a lot of chopping. There will be a lot of prep. But the finished product will be fantastic. Also, we're cooking this on the Blackstone today, by the way, too. That's why it's a Blackstone video. So the first thing I need to get started on is we're going to do a Thai-styled slaw. Then we're going to make a sriracha honey mayo. And then we'll get our chicken burgers made up, and we're gonna mix some things in there. And then we'll head out to the Blackstone, grill them, come back, try it out, see how bad I did. Just kidding. But first, like I said, let's start with the slaw. So I cheated a little bit, and I have some leftover regular coleslaw mix, which is just carrots and cabbage. Works just as fine. If you can find daikon, get a thing of daikon and chop that up as well. I can never seem to find daikon without going to some fancy store out in the middle of nowhere. So, cabbage, carrots, and then add that to your bowl. And the recipe for all of this will be in the description below for you guys. But I'm gonna start with about 2 cups worth of the cabbage mix. Okay? Set him off to the side. And then I have an English cucumber, and I need probably about that much of the cucumber, maybe a little bit less. I don't need a whole lot. You can peel it if you would like, if you want to leave the skin on. Sometimes the skin can be a little tough on English cucumbers, so you don't have to. But we're just going to thin slice it, and we'll add it to our bowl. Okay, so I got some thin sliced. I probably did about a half a cup's worth of thin sliced English cucumber. But now I'm gonna add some cilantro leaves. Now you can chop them up if you would like, you don't have to. I'm just gonna pluck them off the stems and do it that way. But you probably need roughly a 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves, because whenever I have Bahn Mi sandwiches, I usually have whole cilantro leaves on there. So we're just gonna add about a 1/4 cup worth, okay? Next, I'm gonna add some fresh garlic, okay? Then I'm gonna add some rice vinegar, okay? Then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of mirin, and then just a little bit of avocado oil, okay? And then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, okay? We're gonna give that a good mix. And there's your slaw. We're gonna set this in the fridge until we're done with everything. But now, let's get started on our sauce. All right, so for the sauce, I need a 1/4 cup of olive oil mayo. Now we're gonna add just a little bit of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of honey, then 2 tablespoons of sriracha, okay, then about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and then I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of rice vinegar to this, okay? And there's our sauce. We're gonna throw this in the fridge as well, and let's make our chicken patties. So, I got a big bowl, and then I got 2 pounds of ground chicken. Then I'm gonna season him with salt, pepper, garlic, and then I'm gonna chop some green onion, and we'll add some crushed red pepper flakes to this as well. Okay, then like I said, I'm gonna chop some green onion and just thin slice it. Okay, then I got some gloves, give this a good mix. Okay, now I'm gonna form these into about 4-ounce patties. I got actually about 5-ounce patties. I was a little short on a few of them, so I just combined it all. But I have 5-ounce patties here. So let's head out to the Blackstone. That away. I have my burgers done and cheesed with Swiss cheese, And then I got my beautifully toasted buns. Then I got my sauce, my slaw, and then we're also going to add some torn up basil leaves as well. So let's assemble this burger. All right, so I'm double pattying this bad puppy. So I got 1, okay, 2, and then I got some basil leaves, and you can tear them up if you want. They're just gonna get mixed in with the slaw. Okay, then we're gonna add our slaw mix. Okay, then our sauce. Okay, and there, at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, you have a beautiful Bahn Mi chicken burger. Let's try it out. She messy, she thick, she juicy, she everywhere, everywhere. Cheers. Oh my gosh. All right, so other than it being a very messy burger, this is delicious. Nice, spicy, really comes through, but then it's slightly cooled down by the honey that's in it. And then you just got the cool, refreshing crunch of the slaw with a little bit of heat, not much, but it adds a nice freshness to it. And then the patties are delicious. And the Swiss cheese kind of helps a little bit, kind of cuts through that tanginess from the vinegar and the slaw. But, and then you do get little subtle notes of the basil that's in there. It'd be a lot better with Thai basil, but it is what it is. This is fantastic. She nasty. Well guys, there you have it, a chicken banh mi burger made with all the love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub and notification button. Throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Time to finish my burger now, doo-dah, doo-dah.